now have a beautiful template here that's ready to rock and roll. And now you can move forward to the next stage of the training, where you're going to learn how to create your about page, your home page. You're going to add conversion tracking and lead magnets and opt-in forms and overlays and pop-ups and God knows so much stuff here. It's going to be amazing. Okay, so guys, with that in mind, we'll keep pushing forward, and now you've got your beautiful site and you're ready to rock and roll. Okay, cheers.
And you now have your beautiful site, but how did we get here? Here inside of the training, inside of Taking Action Online, Rock Solid Foundation is the 3-step done for you website template. It's also the video or a snippet of the video that I just showed you. You can see this is an 8-minute, 45-second video that's going to walk you through everything you need to do to set up your template. After you click to download the template, then you'll just upload it to your own hosting and you'll be off to the races. Now, there's a link in the description. It'll take you over to this page. In this video, it's about 4 minutes. I'm going to show you a few more snippets, a little deeper dive, a little more behind the scenes of exactly what you're going to get. And you can get that for $1. You just have to click that button. That gets you into Taking Action Online and the done for you website template. Now, you might be asking, what is the real cost? It is simply $1. Watch the video on this page. Here, there's another button, Join Tao for $1. Here, you will see the funnel. You will see that this really gets you inside of Taking Action Online, the foundations and the action plan for just $1. You click that link. That will take you over to this sales page. And here you just click that blue button. That will take you down where you can get immediate access to the 7-step action plan and everything you see here for just $1. No funnel, no upsells. Click it and you're in. Before we go any further, just a general blogging statistic just to keep you motivated and keep you moving forward. From 2023 to 2027, the global content marketing industry, that is blogging, is expected to grow by $548 billion. Right now, as we head towards 2027, every year this is only going to continue to grow. And at this point, all you need to do is start creating content, pick a topic, start creating content. And with this done for you 3-step template, you simply just import that and you're off to the races. So after you sign up to Taking Action Online, you'll get access to the community feed. This is when you first log in. This is basically the community here sharing their struggles, sharing their wins, sharing anything that they've seen that is working, or just a general discussion to keep themselves motivated, as well as everyone else inside the community sharing what they're doing and moving forward. But it all starts here under Foundation. This is where you'll see the foundations that you need to build and understand that to get sales, leads, and traffic, you need to take this serious and you need to understand and have the right mindset, which Philip is going to take you through inside of Taking Action Online, inside of Foundations. Then you are going to move on to the action plan. This is where you're going to find out how the success blueprint all works together. Meaning that with step number 1, you're going to pick a niche. Then you're going to move into Rock Solid Foundations. Then you're going to go through steps 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7 to build out your complete online business. But right here under Rock Solid Foundations, you're simply just going to click this. It's going to take you into the training where you start building your website. But of course, it's all going to be done for you when you get here to the 3-step website done for you website template. You're going to click that. You're going to see the video that you saw at the beginning of the video as well as the template, but also understand you can click here to open the 7-step action plan progress tracker. And then once you do that, you're going to be able to have a checklist for daily accountability. You're going to check off all the foundational videos and you're going to understand exactly what it is and why you're building it. Then you're going to go through your success blueprint. Then you're going to pick your niche and then you're going to move in and you're going to start checking these off until you get to step 3 or you get to the 3-step website done for you website builder. You're going to download that template, upload it to your hosting, and you're going to be off to the races. Then you're going to have step 3, step 4, step 5, step 6, step 7. And that is all the steps that you need, all the steps that are required, all right here inside of that checklist. And it's as simple as clicking the link in the description to take you over where I'm going to show you a little bit more behind the scenes so you can see exactly how simple this is before you spend your $1 and actually get to work and utilize this shortcut to get you up and running with this done for you 3-step website. Because once you get that done, all is left is for you to start creating content. If you got any questions, let me know in the comments. Again, link in the description. Thanks for watching. Look forward to seeing you inside of Taking Action Online community. Be sure to say hi when you get there, and I'll talk to you then. Bye.